Just got the Netgear RS200? Let's set it up in under 3 minutes. Unbox the Netgear RS200 Wi-Fi 7 Beast? Get ready for next-gen speed with this easy step-by-step setup. Start by plugging in the router using the included adapter. Wait for the power LED to turn solid white or blue. Next step, connect to modem. Use the Ethernet cable to connect your modem to the internet port on the back of the RS200. Now, download the Netgear Nighthawk app from the Play Store or App Store and open it. Netgear RS200 Setup Walkthrough with Nighthawk app. Watch this full tutorial for a smooth step-by-step installation. And just like that, you're connected. Enjoy seamless Wi-Fi 7 speed for gaming, streaming, and smart homes. Still stuck or confused? We offer 100% free support. Call or drop a message now. Hit like, subscribe for more setup guides, and comment below if your RS200 is now flying.